Hi, this is Ben with trueCABLE. Looking to strip your fiber optic cable effectively in the 3 different variations, 900, 3mm, and 250 micron. These fiber optic cable strippers will show you exactly how to do that, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to now get into the details about what this new product is capable of. So here we have our trueCABLE fiber optic cable strippers, and there's some really great features that we want to share with you about this product. One of the things right off the bat that we want to talk about is the 3 different options for stripping your cable that this stripper has. 2 and 3mm for cable jacketing, so it can simply score the cable and pull off the jacket like that. And then it has the 900 micron stripping feature, as well as the 250 micron stripping function as well. So it's a 3-in-1 fiber stripper. The other nice features about this fiber stripper that we want to mention is the quality of the handles and how the spring attachment or spring latch is hidden within the handle itself. So it gives it a really nice, easy, simple, sleek use. It makes the spring back of the spring really easy and feels good within your hand. So overall, the strippers have a really nice feel to them when you're using them. In terms of stripping the fiber, we can do a quick little demonstration here of how it strips the 900 micron and the 250. So here we have a piece of multi-mode fiber optic cable here, and this is a 900 micron buffer, and we'll show how easily it can strip that 900 micron buffer off. So if we just score it like that and we pull it off, and typically when you do this, it's good to do it in 1/4 inch or so increments to pull it off like that. Now this is extremely small. It's a multi-mode fiber optic cable, so it's going to be really difficult for you to see, but you can see here that I'm stripping off this fiber optic cable in small little chunks like that. The next one that we want to look at is also our 250 micron, and the 250 micron will allow you to strip off the extra little buffer coating there that's on there. So if we go to the smallest setting on these fiber strippers, once we have our 900 off, we can bring it into here, and if you do it at a slight little angle like this, it makes stripping that buffer off a lot easier, and as you can see, you'll see a little bit of that acrylite coating come off into the strippers themselves. Usually a couple passes on that will get that off there sufficiently, and now the fiber optic cable is ready for cleaving. So this is basically our newest product, one of our newest products in our line of fiber optic tools. It's the 3-hole fiber optic stripper, and we hope you enjoy it. It's a very nice, easy tool to use, and it's something that every fiber optic installer should have in their toolbox. So we hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And as always, happy networking. I hope you enjoyed that fiber video. Interested in learning more? Please check out either our Cable Academy up here, and if you really want to see more, check them out here.